Morning guys, January 23rd, 2023. So I got a call from a guy. He's got a bunch of plumbing issues going on, toilet issues and leaks under the sink and whatnot. So I'm gonna go over there this morning and see if I could address some of his issues he's got going on. And I talked to him on the phone. He had like 3 or 4 different things he has issues with. So we'll try to get you some shots when I get over there. Miss Molly was playing Catch Me If You Can again this morning, so I left her home. Top of the stairs, let's go to work, and she's just looking at me like. So she's kind of like getting back in the swing of things, I guess. So we'll try to get you some shots when I get over there. Try to put a video together, maybe. Let's see. Toilet's been leaking here. See the toilet? Been leaking right above us here. I'll show you what the problem is. You see that nut broke off right there. We gotta change the closet bolts. That's our problem. That's our problem. No good. Change the other one too. That's what happens when you put in cheap bolts. No good. Heavy-duty brass ones I can put in there. Oh, nice brass ones. That won't rot. That's what we need to see if I can get the other side off. Well, I'm gonna have to cut it. If it hasn't been dripping, it might come off. Oh yeah, she's loose as a goose. Taking it out by hand. Not good. He says the whoa, look at that one broke off too. Son of a bitch. Fucking crazy. Wow. We'll put some good brass ones in there. They won't leak. Are they long enough? Yeah. That's what we want. Good brass ones in there. Sometimes you gotta find them in the old toilets. Sometimes they don't make them anymore. Or they're hard to find them. That's what the problem was. He thought it was the wax, but I didn't think it was. One on the other side too. Gasket should be fine. Let's hope we'll tighten it up. I like to use this right here so I don't over tighten it. Get a feel for it. You don't want to over tighten it. And he said something about the shut-off's leaking. flush it and we'll see if it leaks. Might have to change the flapper too. We'll see. He said something about the flapper was an issue. Flush it. You can tell if it leaks, you can grab the bolt. If it leaks, it'll leak right down here. And it's not. She's dry. That's all it was. Should probably look at that flapper too. Yeah, I gotta do something about this shut off. Shut off is leaking. Yeah, it was definitely the bolts, both of them snapped off. Look at the heads.
Yeah, you know, well water.
See?
Yeah.
I put some good old style brass ones in there that never leak. Let me get another flapper for you.
And when you sit on the bowl, do you tend to kind of bend those bolts a little bit?
Yeah, well, we push back.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And I mean, to see how wimpy they are, the ones I put in there were heavy duty.
Yeah.
The ones I put in there were like this. See how thick they are?
Wow, and there's still room for the seal and stuff?
See it? See the difference? These are real brass.
Yeah, that's
These won't rot.
Yeah.
These will last 100 years.
Those are like 3/8. Those are like well, those
No,
are
this
like
is
a quarter. Those are
a
less.
quarter, and then this is probably 5/16.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
But see the difference?
Oh yeah.
I mean, this is what you get when you buy that shit.
Yeah.
Well, let me change the flapper while I'm here. And I gotta do something about that that shut off also. We're gonna have to shut the water off for that. Where's the main?
I don't know. I'll have to show you the basement.
Let me get another flapper for you and try that. Another flapper in there. This is a 1.6 gallon flush. Let's see how this thing works. I like these blue ones. I did shut the water off in the basement. I'm gonna have to fix this shut off. I got the water off. I'm gonna have to fix it or do something with this. See if we get it to, it's dripping on the floor, so see if we can take it apart, maybe O-ring in there or something. Yeah, I gotta change the whole thing. A little crusty. She's a crusty one, Mr. Grinch. Wow. It's really crusty. I got the water off. See what's going on with it. A little pipe dope will probably be fine. Give it a little dope-a-roo. That's all you need. A little pipe dope on there. That's all you need. A little pipe dope on the gasket. Lube it up a little bit, Mama. Everybody likes a little lube. So you need a little lubrication. That should be fine. I might have to put a different flapper in there because that's a 1.6 gallon. Yeah, that's better. Let's get a little tighter on there. Yeah, that was just needed a little lube is all it needed. Need a little lube, Mama. All right, we'll turn the water back on and see what happens here. Needs a little lube. Alright. Floor was dripping. Make sure it don't drip. Yeah, it's a lot better. I can feel it's tight. Let's see how it flushes. Good flush on there. It's a little bit more than 1.5. I'll leave it. I can put a different flapper in there if I wanted. Good enough for this neighborhood. You can't get these aerators off. Oh, she's loosey-goosey, Mama. Ain't good. How you doing? The pliers get it off. What's it? Said something about he had the well worked on and oh yeah, look at the shit in there. Yeehaw. That's better. This one looks corroded. Wow. This is corroded. That's a new faucet, looks like. Man, fucking foam. There's shit in there. Said something about he had the well work on or something. because if not, they'll leak, right? That's better. I'm gonna do that shower round too. I'll show you a trick.
Broke that off. I gotta change that. I'll show you the best way to get that off of there. Right here. That's the best way. There you go. Oh, I broke off inside. Look at that. I gotta get that piece out. I can do it. Corroded. Alright. Have that tool go right in there and should be able to get that piece out of there easy enough. That goes in there's 3 dogs that should come right out. There you go. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. There's some. They said the best thing to do is use the pliers and they don't look it up. I'm just going to put the shower head on there. That should be good. There is a little O-ring inside there. If I take it out, you get more flow. You can see it. I gotta take that O-ring out. I take that little O-ring out of there and get more flow. That's a little tech tip. Yeah, a little tech tip, mama. He wants me, he's got another toilet, he wants me to do the other toilet also. Alright. Look at the flow coming out of there now, that's coming out nice.
I have worked on this valve in the past.
There you go.
Alright, so I got this was rotted. This was rotted. I took the O-ring out of the shower head. Put a new flapper. That was the old shower head. Took the clean the aerators out. Should be good. The one here that needs changing too. So let's he's crusty, man. He's a crusty bugger. We'll change them bolts before they snap.
Ooh, this one's got a cracked toilet.
This toilet's cracked. Wow. But that's cracked. Probably better not. I don't mean touching this fucker. Nope, I'm not gonna touch it. Gonna need a new toilet. See that? Can't touch it.